Sissy, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we're going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
Hey my YouTube people, thank you for tuning in for another tutorial of mine. Today I will be working with New World Hair. Let me tell you guys, this hair feels so soft and it feels so good. Now today I have one of my good old clients here that doesn't like too much heat put on her hair. She doesn't really wear a lot of styles, so today we're going to do her something very soft, something pretty. We're going to do something up. She want to do like a high ponytail, but we're also going to do different styles with this ponytail. I'm going to show you 3 different looks that you can do with a genie ponytail. So stay tuned while I create these 3 looks on my beautiful client here. Stay tuned. Now, I'm not going to press her entire head because I really don't have to. Her hair is more on the finer side. She has very, very good hair, so it doesn't need a lot of heat and it doesn't need a lot of pressing, not at all. But I am probably just going to go through it and just knock out some of the curls. Now, if you guys are interested in knowing what I still use the premium beeswax on her edges. It will keep her hair nice and shiny and slick. yes, this is our first look. This is the top knot bun. This is very popular now. I added some cute little pins just to jazz it up, make it something cute and spicy. Now here's another bun you can do. Of course, you can do a little better than this. I just actually threw this up. But if you get the concept, something soft, something cute, you also can just let it hang down with the curls at the end. This is one of my other looks. I actually braided this ponytail and pulled the braids apart. It's called the little butterfly braid ponytail. Is super cute, and just to jazz it up to make her ponytail stand out, I actually am going to curl the pieces in the front of her hair. Now I did not use any weave because her hair was, you know, pretty long, but of course if you would like some, you can. So how do you guys like these 3 different looks that I came serving? Comment below, subscribe to my channel, like, share. Thank you guys for watching. So right now I'm just combing out some of the curls. She wants to leave it long and pretty soft. Now, to be honest, this ponytail will probably only last a week and a half, if that 2 weeks, only because my client has really soft hair. This kind of texture hair normally kind of gets soft a little bit, and it doesn't hold as the normal 4C quality hair. So I just want to keep that in mind. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Love you guys.